In this upcoming 2028 election, what do you think is the ultimate na puwedeng gamitin ng kahit sinong kandidato na maaaring, tumakbo dito sa eleksyon na 'to? Do you think they need to use their own personality, their political machinery, or mag-focus sila sa national issue?
Dapat mag-focus na sa national issues kasi
Mm,
itong, dating, political machinery, personalities, ano na yan, eh, that is what, led to, uh, very corrupt politicians being put in public office 'no. Na yung ano sa national issues na kasi, we have so many, problems that, affect the Filipino people, poverty. Tapos yung, ano din, we are being left behind in Southeast Asia by our neighbors 'no, because, they have embarked on, good governance and also on modernizing their societies. Na yung sa anti-poverty ano, I think, very much yun 'no, yung anti-poverty, programs which, should, improve the lives of most Filipinos 'no. It's about time that we did that so that Fi Filipinos will not be opting to, put their, future on, going to other leaving the Philippines and going to other countries 'no. It's about time that we did something for this country and, to fix our problems ourselves 'no, by electing the right political leaders in public office.
ah, so I'll try my best. May mga question kasi dito before I end before I end our live today, Q&A tayo pagtapos ng interview natin. Actually, puwede naman mag-Q&A, saglit lang. Ayan, but before anything else, makikisuyo na lang din po 'no, you can see here yung QR code. So, scan it so you can share, like, and subscribe sa ating iba pang, YouTube platform. And also, one of the things that I learned before we go over with our topic is that para daw po pala matulungan niyo ang ating channel sa algorithm ni YouTube, kailangan daw po pala nila-like niyo yung mga video. Para daw po nai-share YouTube itong, videos natin sa iba't ibang platform na kung saan it's an algorithm way ng YouTube to get more connected to other people. So, take a picture of it and also itong channel natin, share, like, and subscribe na rin, especially itong video na 'to.